To start sending messages in multiple languages, we first need to go into our workspace setting and add any languages we want to use for our translations besides our default language. Click on Settings. Go ahead and add any additional languages you want to support alongside your default. Once those are added, you're ready for the next step. You can update a contact's language preference manually in the Contacts tab, but it's much easier to do it inside of Flow. Let's see what that flow looks like. In this example, we ask contacts their language preference and then route them based on their response. They can respond either English, Spanish, or French. Next, we're going to add an update language action for each language option. This ensures the contact will always receive messages from us in the right language. Let's jump in to build a multi-language flow with translations. I've built a simple survey in my default language, English, but I want our Spanish speakers to receive it as well. I'll click on the Languages tab on the toolbar. Notice that as soon as I click the alternative language, any nodes that need a translation turn yellow. Once they have a completed translation, they will appear white again. Now to translate my flow, we have two options. We can either type in our translations manually here in the box, or we can save time using auto-translate. Click here. You'll have the option to either use Texted's built-in AI, or you can use your own integrated LM if you would prefer. You can add that in your settings. Even with auto-translate, you can still go in after, and you should go in after, and tweak the wording or the tone to make sure everything's just right. The table view is super helpful for reviewing your translations. Here I can see my original and my translation side by side. I can go in and edit directly from table view, or I can do those edits in Flow view as well. Finally, remember that you can choose to localize rules and categories. Here, a contact is typing in a specific color in their language, so I will definitely want to translate those rules so the flow knows how to respond. I'll click here to translate categories if I plan on referencing the category again within the flow. If not, I can leave that unchecked. Okay, we have now translated our flow into Spanish, and it's ready to send to our contacts. Make sure you test as you normally would in each language. If you need any help creating your multi-language flows or with auto-translations, feel free to reach out to us on the chat widget. We're always happy to help.